I've just finished a live session and I am famished. So I thought before I devour this sandwich, how about I bring you some super words, all to do with being hungry. But before we go ahead, a quick reminder to subscribe to this channel for tips on communication skills, confidence and personality enhancement. And subscribe alone just won't do, because you won't get notifications. You wouldn't know when my next video is out until you hit the bell icon. So please us bell icon ko dabaiye so that you know when my next video is released, so you don't really miss anything. Make sure you do that, please. And now back to sword. Today's words are famished, ravenous, peckish and devour. Now both famished and ravenous mean extremely hungry. So instead of using starving, you can say famished or ravenous. A sentence being, oh, I had such a long day at work. Now I'm famished. Oh, the party had no food and I danced so much that now I'm ravenous. What? The food is still not on the table? I'm ravenous. मतलब बहुत भूख लगी है. ऐसा लग रहा है कि पता नहीं कब से सदियों से कुछ नहीं खाया. Our next word is peckish, meaning just a little hungry. Peckish. जब मुंह मारने को दिल करता है, munching on something small like crisps or chips or chakna or just a piece of fruit. That is peckish. Sentence now. I won't be joining you for dinner as I'm just a little peckish now and might eat something early. Oh, should I cut an apple for you if you're peckish? Our next word, ladies and gentlemen, is devour. Devour, meaning to eat or swallow really quickly. Cup, 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 cup. Lalat se khana. I was so hungry that I devoured my sandwich. I'll devour that dessert as soon as the waiter brings it. I bet you got a little peckish after all this food talk. Maybe a little famished or ravenous. Well then, go devour some tasty stuff while I dig into my lunch. Bye now, and remember to subscribe, guys. See you very soon. It's time to munch.